Hello, this is Guillermo Mariano. In this video, I just wanted to talk to you about container components and children components and how in Angular you would pass data down to that child component. I was in a recent project where the lead asked me why I was subscribing from the parent container component using the async pipe template, from the template and passing the data that an observable generated straight to a child. Why didn't I just pass the observable to the child? And the reason you don't want to do that in the majority of cases is because your child component should not know what type of asynchronous mechanism you're using, whether you're using an observable or you're using a promise. It should just understand the data in the mod and how it's modeled. So if it's an array of an object, it should just know the interface for that array. If it's a primitive like a boolean or a string or a number, it should just know that, and that is it. So you want to handle a lot of the asynchronous responses and subscriptions and error handling on the parent container component rather than children component. So those type of subscriptions and error handlings should be done at the parent, not at the child level, unless the data is corrupt or something else is coming back from your asynchronous call. So there's very few instances where you would want to pass an observable to a child component from the parent component. Maybe you are subscribing to the DOM, to some DOM element where you know that it's going to be a series of events that maybe this child component really needs to listen to and understand that it's a stream. And this low-level component, this child component is going to be a smart component, and so it's going to be smart enough to handle the errors that may come out of it, the subscription and unsubscription from that event. But in most cases, what you want to do is you want to do your subscribing and unsubscribing and error handling at the container level down to the container level and not at the child level. So anyways, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and until next time, this has been Guillermo Mariano. Take care.